What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking out the Acura Integra carpet. Today we are taking out the Acura Integra carpet. As you can see, it looks filthy right now. Today I just plan on taking out this whole carpet, maybe just cleaning it up. But today I have work, so I don't have too much time to do too much right now. So I'm probably just gonna take this all out and probably clean it up a little bit, go to work, and then tomorrow in the morning I'm gonna probably even clean it up more and then prep it for paint and get it black. So like right now what we have is we have the panels, center console, dash, steering wheel pieces. Yes, I know this is messed up, I only did one coat. But yeah, let's get started on with this carpet removal process. It is hot as hell. I'm dying out here. So let's get started. All right, so first things first, there's a bolt right here, a bolt right here, and two more bolts right here. So let's get those out now. All right, so a little update. We got the seats out. Now I gotta take center console out and maybe off these side panels. Those are easy. Honestly, don't even know how to take this shit out. I'm just taking out everything that obviously needs to come out to do this. So, all right, so a little more of an update. We got that all out. I don't understand what else I have to take out. I'm just, so there's clips back here. This seatbelt thing I gotta take off, I forgot. All right, so we got those out. Now, what is, Jesus. One thing after another, what the hell? It seems like it just wants to come out, but it can't. Oh, this is gonna be a pain, taking this off. Damn. Open that up, and then there should be a screw in there, I'm guessing. I was right. Okay, so let's take that out. All right, so we got that off. I think it's ready to come out. Oh, close. More. So those now.
Oh, bro, I look like
Weight reduction,
right
bro.
now.
I'm gonna be riding with no seats. No, for real, like not one seat at all, dude.
Clean my shit out. Clean my throttle body.
That shit box right there?
Yeah, man, that shit box. I'm tired of it. Anybody want to buy an EG? Just let me know. All right.
You selling it for
and
600, right?
Yeah, 600.
Damn, dude, that's a steal.
Right.
Yeah, look at this, man. Weight reduction, bro. Bro, this is so hard to take out.
Yeah, you should drive in them seats.
Fuck. All the way to
Shit,
work.
You can sit on the floor like that.
Wait, how?
You can be like this.
Hell no. This is gonna be my point of view right here. That shit was suck. They probably look like, what the fuck? That is out. And next is the motor.
What?
Alright, people, so 10 hours later. Let me stop. It took about 10 more minutes. Holy shit! I just cut a ton of stuff because I don't have the time to take all this stuff out, but it doesn't matter because that's all gonna be hidden. So carpet is finally taken out. What sucks though is I'm gonna ride to work like this, but who cares? It's only like 2 miles, so. But yeah, that's out. Next is paint tomorrow. So that's gonna wrap it up for today. tomorrow I'm gonna continue this process, clean it all up. Like, look how dirty this shit is. Like, all this shit. Hopefully a lot of this shit will come out. And yeah, I'm gonna spray paint all this black tomorrow. And yeah, guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna put all these clips together and stuff for you guys, and peace. So after going to a few different O'Reillys, I got all the cans of spray paint I need. So let's start this shit. All right, so first we're gonna start off with some nice little light coats to cover up the spots like these and that, all that. Let's do that now. All right, so since I'm not the best spray painter, I had my brother help me. So he did this side and then I just did the rest. It looks a lot more better in person. It looks like it's faded and all that black. Well, it's not even dry, first of all, but on camera it looks like there's a lot of, how to explain it, a lot of tan spots and stuff. Like you can see this. This is from the pressure washer. It's kind of fucked up, but that looks good. And then right here, we're finishing this. This is the first coat too, so. And I've ran out of spray paint completely, except that last spot. Yeah, both of these are out? Oh, this one got a little bit in it. Let's see. I'm gonna keep you guys updated once we're done. And yeah, so far so good. I only did one coat, and this is the final product. Sorry, my manager just texted me. But this is the final coat, or well, first coat, first and final. Took freaking 3 spray paint cans. I don't even think I have any left. Like, barely any. That is very loud, sorry. But yeah, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sweep off all the excess, cause like right now it's like very, very stiff. And it's supposed to be soft. Well, yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. Get all the excess paint off. All that off. Just little pieces, but now, yeah, like I said before, a lot of this stuff doesn't have to be perfect. I just prefer for it to be black. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna install everything back. I have to go get my seat and stuff out the garage. Oh, this is unlocked. Okay, so yeah, so let's install everything back now. All right, so it was a little hassle, but I was missing a lot of bolts for the seats, like this back one. Oh, you guys. This big one, I'm missing that on the other side. I can't find it. The other side, but other than that, interior is looking pretty good. I want to get a new one of these mats, and then I'm gonna keep this one. This one's looking good, but interior is looking good. As you can see, black carpet now. It's kind of messed up a little bit, but other than that, I'm happy with the final product. Yeah, it looks nice. So yeah, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. As you see, I restored the carpet and I painted a different color because I'm not really a fan of the tan. But yeah, guys, other than that, that's it for today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new, and like the video, obviously, even if you're not new. That's it for today's video, guys. Peace.